In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix if the clock does not appear on the lock screen on your Android smartphone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to Settings. To do that, just swipe down from the top of the screen and then tap at that gear. Now guys, we need to scroll down until we find the option that may be called lock screen, or in my case it is called lock screen and AOD. AOD stands for always on display. Now I'm gonna enter it, and here we need to scroll down and tap at edit lock screen option. That will activate lock screen editor, and here we can see that right there it says clock with this plus sign. And now I'm gonna tap right here, and then we can, as you can see, select any clock widget we would like to use. I'm gonna choose that one. Also, we can customize it right here. We can change its font. We can also set different color for that widget, and then once it is done, hit right here at done, and then we can head over to the lock screen. Now I'm gonna lock my device to check how it looks like now. There we go. We've just get our clock widget back to the lock screen. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.